just for a day. I roll out of bed in the morning and throw what I wanted and go to be with the guys and chase after girls. I could kill it for what I wanted and I never get confronted for it, 'cause they stick up for me. If I were a boy, I think I could understand how it feels to love a girl. I swear I'd be a better man. I listen to her, 'cause I know how it hurts when you lose the one you want and it's taking you for granted, and everything you had is true.